from an AstraZeneca perspective, where do you see in terms of like what is out there and able to be produced to where you're maybe hoping to see it go?
Yeah, so I think as we uh, heard from different talks, science has been moving very fast, and when we think about treating patients and eliminating cancer as a cause of death one day, we think about there are patients who are benefiting from drugs like Herceptin, but there's still opportunity to do more. There are patients who progress on those and are looking for the next wave of innovation to come through. So we can't lose sight of those who are on this journey and living with cancer, whom cancer may outsmart the current treatments and may need more. So really focusing on the unmet need of those. But also, like Siddhartha said, we got to move early, detect cancer early, but also really find the opportunities to bring treatments earlier into that space and ensuring that those who have early detection actually have a treatment available. And it's astounding to see this year in United States, 2 million people will be diagnosed with cancer. And 10 cancers that are on rise, 6 of them are screenable, and they are on rise in a younger population. So we also need to evolve the screening guidelines to ensure that just because you are a smoker at 40, you're not eligible for screening, whereas at 50 you are, or at 50 if you're a non-smoker, you're not. So there's a lot of those nuances. Still, there's screenings that are available whose uptake is dismal. So we got to really work on this. And the last I'll say is, which is a true passion for me and my teams, is I having worked across the world, equity needs to be built in, and that's a challenge. I mean, it's really great that the science that we all are working on is moving so fast, but the infrastructure at grassroots level is not catching pace with it. The delivery of that science is not catching pace, and there's cost issues, access issues, guideline concordant care issues. So I mean, we are focused on how can we ensure, irrespective of your zip code, you have an equal shot at an equivalent outcome to a better health. So those are areas that we think we all need to do more and more on.